Hello everyone. So it's afternoon. Unya. Bago pa lang dyan kong mata. No. I was kidding. Kanang nakamata kong around 11:15. Kaya suddenly I have this urge to take a shower. Of course, I'm checking the whole surroundings. It's kind of gloomy. Unya, slightly windy. Kay halagi sa premises sa nasa Philippine Area of Responsibility si Tropical Storm 1. Karon, pasensya na ka. Burger. So, nana po ning mga kahadlok na moron kay malagay kusog-kusog niya siya nga tropical storm. Yeah. There's a possibility nga it would kanang spread across the whole Visayas and Mindanao. That includes my place. Pero so far so good, wa pa man hinuon sad. But we'll never know kay hangin ba yan na siya, hangin dalang uwan. So it can shift to somewhere nga doon na mo or palayo na mo. Depende ra na sa dagan sa hangin. And nasa din mga mga total kanang worries na mga anxiety na mga makatrabaho ba may makakuryente pa ba may or something like that. Though truth be told katong pagtino despite the heavy rains and the strong winds, what jud na patay mong kuryente. I was able to get through the day na minimal issues like I said in my previous video. So I'm hoping and I'm also expecting for the same. Gali kanang thankfully it's a weekend, so ay technically did ko kinahanglan mag-worry. However, I still have lots of things to do. Yeah, mag-review pa ko something sa mga previous kanang lectures na gihatag sa mga. So I would still need the internet to use the whole weekend. Kaya whole weekend mag-study. Yeah. Nagunahon ako ka ba? Nagunahon ako ba? Visayas has been struck with earthquake and then weeks after, bagyo. Tapos, in a few days, another storm na sad. The one place that's greatly affected was Cebu City. And Cebu City is my home for the last, I don't know, 4 years when I was in college, and then almost 8 years when I was working sa BPO. And I really worry a lot considering kanulang balay na nako ba ang Cebu City. Though I haven't visited Cebu City for more than a year. But like I said, di siya huwag tangi mong worry. I have lots of friends there, my previous colleagues, and my kanang relatives, friends, classmates.